Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In our previous video, we talked about cybersecurity. For those of us who are career paths in cybersecurity, we give access to a free link where you can get full complete course for the cybersecurity program. In this particular video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. So those of us who are career paths in cryptocurrency, or those of us who wants to know more about cryptocurrency, this video is best for us. So I'm going to share this link, this mega drive link in the description section, where you are going to get full access to this course material, and it's for free. So the course is in chapter 1 to chapter 5. When you click on the link and you see these files, and if you want to see the breakdown for all the chapters, you can click on the course info. Now when you click on the course info, you are going to know everything about cryptocurrency. You get a mind map about the cryptocurrency. Okay, so here we are saying cryptocurrencies can be focusing for most due to the magnitude of option. Okay, so we have the chapter 1. The chapter 1 is talking about the breaking down the cryptocurrency market. So you see the topic under them. Now the chapter 2 talks about the investor edge. You see the topics under them. Chapter 3 talks about a new perspective of fundamental and technical analysis, and you see the topics under them. In chapter 4, you are going to see the mastering cryptocurrency platforms. Also, you see the topics under them, and now you are going to see the advanced cryptocurrency protection, which is very, very important, which you are going to find it in the chapter 5. Okay. So when you click on chapter 1 folder, you are going to get all the course materials there. Okay, so let's play the first one, my internet, and you can equally to download it. Yeah. So you can equally download it. My internet is not that strong, but I'm trying to download it here. When I click on chapter 2, you see the video. So you are going to get the video which talks about the various chapters for you. You understand the profit and loss, the top and downs. You understand everything about cryptocurrency. I've been using cryptocurrency for the past 5 years now, and I'm really enjoying it. So you can take advantage of this particular course and understand the cryptocurrency. When you go back, now let's see the, okay, so the video is done downloading. Okay, so the last part, the chapter 5, is the privacy and protection, where you are going to know the type of storage, whether the cold storage, whether the hardware storage, whether you can save your crypto on a drive, or you can save your crypto in cloud. So this cryptocurrency protection is very, very important chapter here, where when you have your crypto in your account, no one can get access. The key phrase or the phrase keys which you need to get access to your cryptocurrency, how to protect them, where you can put them, where you can access them, is very important. Because if you have a lot of crypto in your account and you give access to anyone, they can use that particular crypto to purchase something online which is not traceable. So it's not traceable. So you need to protect your cryptos from anyone getting access to it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.